Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I post videos on managing personal finance, entrepreneurship, investing and a lot of other stuff that comes to my mind. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Most of my audience are in their teens or 20s, and you guys know the sense of excitement and nervousness that comes as you enter this challenging phase of life. The first job you land, or the first business you start, or the first client you work for. And this phase brings some major change in your lifestyle. Your 20s are the stepping stone for your overall prosperity. It's the time that will decide the fate of the rest of your life. It's essential to carefully manage not only your career moves but also your finances. A lot of young people make wrong financial decisions in their 20s and end up destroying their financial life. By planning your journey as soon as you start earning, you can build a healthy corpus of funds to achieve your bigger life goals while enjoying a comfortable lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can have an overall good financial health and how you can fulfill your dream of achieving a financially secure future. I'll also discuss why investing in stock market is the best financial decision you can take in your 20s and what investment strategy you can follow. So without further ado, let's get started. Most people struggle with managing their personal finances is because they do not have any financial goals. They only save and invest because that's what they have been told to do for as long as they can remember. Although consciously saving and investing is great, but having nothing to motivate you can make personal finance feel like a drag. And what's the point of saving and investing if you don't have a goal? Financial goals can be divided into short-term, mid-term and long-term. Decide the amount that you need to achieve these goals and use any of the online financial planner calculators to arrive at the amount that you must save every month to achieve these goals in a time-bound manner. You can use the ICICI Financial Goal Planner. I'll leave the link in the description below. Simply click on the link and you will be directed to this page. In the first step, you need to select your financial goal. It can be buying an asset, or education, or marriage, or retirement. If your goal doesn't fit in any of these heads, then select other financial goals and then click Start. Let's say my goal is to buy a car. Preferred age to start saving is 19, as I want to start saving right now. I want to achieve this goal by the time I turn 30. So time to achieve this goal is 11 years from now. I'm expecting the average rate of inflation in the next 11 years would be 5%, and that's pretty much the historic average. And this money won't remain idle in my savings account. I would be investing this money in the stock market from where I'm expecting an average rate of return of, let's say, 9%. How much have you saved to buy the asset? Well, I have saved nothing. How much do you need to buy the asset? So let's say the current market price of the car that I want to purchase is 20 lakh rupees. So I'll enter 20 lakhs in here. And I get the amount that I need to save every month if I want to achieve my goal. I can also see what will be the cost of the car after 11 years. The cost of the car has increased because of inflation. So it's a great tool that can help you plan your short-term, mid-term and long-term financial goals. And this goal setting exercise will help you analyze if your financial goals are leading you towards your targets or signaling a need for course correction. Now that you have decided your goals and you know the amount that you must be saving every month to realize these goals, you need to manage your money very carefully. Keeping a tab on your monetary inflows and outflows will ensure that you are curtailing all unnecessary expenses and channelizing just the right amount towards savings. As soon as you get your salary, immediately set aside the amount that you resolve to save. Use the remaining sum for your fixed expenses like rent, bills and loan payments, and other discretionary spends like shopping, movies and parties. This is the most important part, and this is the part where most people make a big mistake. They first pay their bills and they pay for shopping, movies and parties, and then they are left with nothing. So if you want to be financially strong and realize your goals, you need to make a habit of paying yourself first. Now that you have started to keep a track of all your cash inflows and outflows, and you have started to keep aside the required amount every month to realize your goals, your job is half done. But if you just keep that money idle in some locker, or for that matter in your savings account, and you think that's a wise decision, I'm sorry to break it to you, but it's not. What you are doing is you are letting the value of your money reduce over time by just keeping it idle. You need to earn a profitable return on the money you save in order to beat inflation. And you do that by investing the amount you save every month. Investing these savings in growth instruments is essential to make your money work for you. You might be wondering, where do I invest this amount? Do I invest in shares, or do I invest in mutual funds or bonds or fixed deposits? Ideally, you should have a balanced portfolio including both equities as well as debt instruments. But in your 20s, you have more risk appetite and you can take leverage of the time that you have. And that is the reason why it's so important to start investing from a very early age. Equities have higher risk than debt instruments, but they offer a much higher return on investment compared to debt. As a thumb rule, you must allocate a percentage of funds equal to or greater than 100 minus your age to equities. For example, if you're 20 right now, then the ideal percentage of funds that you should be investing in equities should be equal to or greater than 100 minus 20, that is 80%. I would suggest having a higher proportion of this asset class in your portfolio. You can have as high as 92 to 96% allocation in equities. Equity has historically offered around 15 to 16% CAGR over 15 to 20 year time period and is the best investment tool for medium to long term goals. If you have the time and the interest to learn how to pick stocks, how to decipher financials of a company, how to value stocks, or how to do fundamental analysis, then you can invest directly in stocks. However, if you want to avoid the hassle of doing valuations, understanding fundamentals, then you can go for mutual funds or exchange traded funds. I'll discuss in detail about this in my upcoming videos. In fact, I'm thinking of starting a whole series on various investment tools, investment strategies, and fundamental analysis and valuation. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Personally, I love selecting my stocks myself, but I also invest in mutual funds. You can explore SIP route for investing in mutual funds and equities. SIP is a systematic investment plan where you make regular payments of a fixed amount monthly. Regular payments via SIP will not only bring the much needed discipline in your approach, but will also make the magic of compounding work for you. To give you a perspective, a small SIP of Rs 1000 per month in an equity mutual fund that offers about 12% annual returns would give you a corpus of Rs 35.3 lakhs at the end of 30 years. SIP is also an excellent way to plan for a comfortable retirement and should be a part of everyone's financial plan. Options such as liquid or debt instruments and fixed deposits should be considered to build a corpus of funds for short-term needs. You can also include gold in the electronic form of ETFs to diversify your portfolio. You can start your investing journey with Groww. Groww is one of the fastest growing investment platforms in India with a customer base of 10 million. Groww started in 2016 as a direct mutual fund platform. Currently, the Groww app allows investors to trade and invest in stocks and mutual funds, fixed deposits, digital gold, and US stocks. The Groww application is available for both Android as well as iOS. It has a host of key features that include simple and clean UI, one-click order placement, instant paperless account opening, investing via UPI, complete information on all listed Indian companies, and latest news and insights, resources, vlogs, and videos related to financial markets. And the best thing about Groww is that the account opening charge and annual maintenance charge on Groww is zero. Most other brokers charge around Rs 200 to 300 for account opening as well as an AMC which is charged annually. So I'll quickly walk you through the process of opening an account on Groww. Download the Groww mobile application using the link given in the description. To create an account, you need an email address and a mobile number. So you need to enter your email and mobile number and then verify your mobile number using a 6-digit OTP sent to your mobile followed by verification of your PAN card. Once you have verified your PAN, you will have to enter some basic information like your date of birth, gender, occupation, income. Then you have to enter the details of your bank account from which all the transactions will take place. In the next step, you will have to complete your eKYC. You will have to take a photograph for your official KYC document and record a short video which is used for IPV. Now what is IPV? It means in-person verification. Now instead of an official from Groww visiting your home for verification, you are required to record a short video of 3 to 4 seconds. In the next step, you will have to upload a scanned copy of your PAN card and any of your Aadhaar, voter ID, driving license or passport as your address proof. And in the last step, you will have to upload your signature for completing your KYC. And keep this in mind, you will have to use the same signature for all future documentations on Groww. And that's it. Your account will be ready with absolute ease and within a few minutes. And then you will be able to invest in stocks, mutual funds, fixed deposits and gold with Groww. Also, if you activate your account using the link given in the description, you will earn an instant reward of ₹100 straight to your Groww balance, which you can use to invest in stocks or mutual funds. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have watched till the end, then leave a like and share it with your friends. Also, consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep crushing it.